So I've come across this gym here in Encino, and I'm going to introduce you to roughly about 8,000 square feet. We've got 7 bedrooms, 7 baths, and we're a little over 8,000 square feet. Now, this room here is set up almost like a cabana. So it's just a room. It's not a bedroom, but could be converted into a bedroom from what I understand. And I use that term loosely. Because there's a wall here that can be knocked out to add a closet. Of course, you got to have a closet in order to call it a bedroom. It's a little rectangular shape, but certainly with the telescopic doors can make it really nice to transcend into your backyard. Now this is astroturf down here. It's not real grass, which is great. So that way it stays green year round. You don't have to worry about the gardener coming back here and landscaping. And then your pool equipment is nice and hidden back there, which is really nice. And if you've noticed, you've got a lot of gas fireplaces all over everywhere. There's one here, there's one in that room there, and of course throughout the property inside, which I'll introduce to you in a minute. Barbecue grills over here to the right. Now, sometimes you'll see these barbecue grills too right in the middle of the property, and you got to worry about the smoke and things of that nature. So this is kind of off to the side, which is nice. Cool for catering too. So when you got folks coming in bringing your food and other things that you want to have set up around the food and eating areas, that's ideal back there. Easy access to a restroom for company. I love looking at floor plans and how things are designed. So got a full-on shower too, so people can shower up and get tidied up before they get into the house after the pool. Business room or study room. Now, I'm inside the house. If you notice, there's telescopic doors everywhere, so you can transcend inside and outside really, really easy. It's your kitchen area, obviously. You've got 2 islands. In each island, you've got cabinetry too, so really, really nice use of space. Now, your cabinet drawers are almost like a taupe color. I've never even seen that before. And it really flows. It's not something that's so contrasting that it sticks out. It flows well with the stainless steel. And back here you have your pantry, which is relatively large actually. So we're gonna jump upstairs. But before we do, this is the other fire pit that I was telling you about. This is the atrium. I love homes with atriums because when you have a nice rainy day, you can just enjoy the rain while you're still inside. I don't know if you guys can hear too that there's music flowing throughout the house. So it's wired. It's a smart home. This is back to the front of the home. And we're gonna jump upstairs real quick. Alright, so I'm upstairs. Now this is a loft area, which is really nice, man. It's like a really usable space. You got a lot of sunlight coming in. A little bit of a view with the contrast between the blue and the foliage on the outside. I mean, you see a lot of the different materials used in the build of the house between the slate, your window design. You've got your artistic pieces like your chandeliers here. Now this is your deck. Sorry, I got distracted a minute ago. This is your deck. Man, what a nice shot right there, right? Still got another fireplace. I'm sure that's gonna probably wrap around to the master. What a huge entertainment spot. Okay, I'm gonna cheat a little bit. I'm gonna go in through. This has to be the master. Wow. Again, another fireplace. And you've got a real subtle cutout for, looks like maybe I want to go like a 60-inch easy on that cutout. That'll look nice. For those of you who are walk-in closet fans, there you go, right? Now this looks like a whitewashed walnut. I want to say I almost went with teak, but it looks like a walnut. Let's go see what the bathroom looks like. there's some teak over there. Wow, now that's some interesting looking tile. It's like a blue, silver, turquoise. I mean, it's glass surface, so it's, man, that's nice. Okay, so this is a steamer. For those of you not familiar with this walk-in shower, but it totally can be used as a steamer when that's closed. The automatic business section. And day. All right. Some other bedrooms. This is a whitewashed oak for the floor. It looks like it's throughout. Now, as you see myself walk around this house, I can't tell you how cool it is to see how everything is open and they've got the heat on. What is the heat set at? 72 degrees? You can still feel warmth through here. Like, I'm really impressed in how this house flows. So this is your utility room, washer and dryer. Nice to see that upstairs and not downstairs. Another bedroom. Is that a walk-in closet? Yes, that is walnut. Let's see, got a bathroom inside. That's great. Anyway, for those of you who are interested, and I'm sure I could probably make an appointment for it to be seen on an individual basis, please let me know. Comments below. And this lot size, mind you, I know I didn't cover it. It's a little over 16,000 square feet. I'll show you the pool from above up here. That is it. Wait a minute. We're gonna go up front. So I'm gonna show you the driveway. It's cool how this wraps all the way around. So here's your driveway. And the front of the house. And there's AstroTurf too, or synthetic grass in the front yard. And that's it. The front of the house.